Hey, we're here back at ACD. We're talking about something really special that we got in the shop just recently. So this is a 1937 Cord supercharged Cabriolet. So those are special by themselves, but this one is actually very atypical. This is a very unique car, something we're excited to have in here. I'll give you a second or two to guess what you think is unique about this car. If you're more observant or more astute, you may have already realized that this is not a left-hand drive, it's a right-hand drive car. So this car was manufactured here in the States, in Auburn, Indiana, and then was shipped directly overseas to a distributor there. And this was one of 5 of the supercharged cabriolets that was sent overseas that was put in this right-hand drive configuration. This is one of 3 of these cars that was shipped to England in this right-hand drive configuration. So very unique car in that sense. One of the things that you might notice immediately is this signal indicator right here. And that would have been something that was required in England for those guys to use there. They have one on the right side, one on the left side. There's a toggle there. And so I personally am not sure if this was done by the factory like this or if this was done by the distributor after it arrived. Again, assuming that it was something that was required by England for their laws and you know, those extra signal lights. You see those on Bentleys and some of the other cars of the era as well. So a unique feature there on that you know, kind of makes this one interesting. But a beautiful car. I'll give you guys a second to kind of look over some of these features, but it's just neat to see a right-hand drive, something I've never seen with my own eyes. So excited to see that in the shop, and we're able to work on it. Really, it's a tune-up, making sure that it's shifting well, which is kind of always something we're working on with Cord. It seems like we'll do some paint correction, just a few little things that the owner wants to get this back into, you know, kind of more premium shape. And so we're excited to help him with that. But just a unique car. I wanted you guys to be able to see it, get a look at it. A right-hand drive Cabriolet, supercharged. So some of the probably rarest of the rarest as far as Cords go. So one of 3 that was sent to England. One of 5 that was sent overseas in this right-hand drive configuration. So hope you enjoy. This is the distributor tag that shows RSM as the distributor there in England that they sent this car to. So you know, there's records of around 50 or so Cords that were done right-hand drive sent to England. This is one of 3 of the supercharged cabriolets, at least according to the Cord Complete book. So you know, interesting stuff here.